Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve Forcestop on Discord app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Discord app. Here you can click on Forcestop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. Here you can go to Play Store. If you will find the update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.